Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to export a Hostinger email backup zip file to your computer. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger webmail. And here, as you see, I have many or multiple messages in my inbox. And to export those emails in a zip file, or in order to back up those emails in a zip file, it's simple. First, you can select them manually like that. You can also select them all. You can select just the current page, just the unread messages, the flagged ones, invert or none. Here, as you see, if I click on invert, it will only select or deselect or reverse my selection. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. If you don't see those check boxes, if you see this is the default interface. Just click on select and hit this selection. Here you can select the email message that you want to export or to backup. After selecting your desired emails, click on more and go to download and select your email backup format. You can go with inbox format or mail dir format. I will go with both of them and see the difference. This is the first, or this is the inbox format. As you see, I only get a folder with this .inbox format. Now let's go with the mail dir format. Click on it to decompress it, and this is the mail deal format. As you see, with mail deal you get each email backup in a separate file. And this is how to export a Hostinger email backup zip file to your computer. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.